Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with the Kroger app, not working, or having trouble with Kroger fuel points, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the problem and get your app functioning properly again. Step 1. Open your device settings and navigate to the Apps section. Locate the Kroger app and tap on it to access the app-specific settings. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If the issue persists, also tap Clear Data to reset the app completely. Step 3. Close the Kroger app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps menu. Make sure the app isn't running in the background before proceeding. Step 4. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser or testing another app. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to identify any connectivity issues. Step 5. Visit your device's app store and search for the Kroger app. Check if there's an available update and install it to ensure you're using the latest version. Step 6. If the app still doesn't work, uninstall it completely from your device. Then reinstall the Kroger app fresh from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 7. Open the reinstalled app and sign in with your Kroger Plus card number or account credentials. Check that your fuel points are displaying correctly and test all app features to ensure everything is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.